Contour surveyors play a crucial role in the field of land development and construction. They are responsible for conducting surveys to determine the topography and elevation of a piece of land. In Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, there are several contour surveyors who provide their expertise to developers and architects in order to create accurate and detailed site plans. One such company in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, that specializes in contour surveying is SCON Design. SCON Design is known for its expertise in providing accurate and reliable contour surveys in the area. They have a team of experienced surveyors who are well-versed in using the latest surveying equipment and software. With their extensive knowledge and skills, they are able to provide precise contour maps that are essential for the successful planning and execution of construction projects. The contour surveyors at SCON Design understand the importance of providing accurate data to their clients. They meticulously measure the elevation and slope of the land to create detailed contour maps. These maps depict the variations in the terrain and help in identifying potential challenges or constraints that may affect the construction process. By analyzing the contour maps, developers and architects can make informed decisions regarding site preparation, drainage systems, and building design. In addition to contour surveys, SCON Design also offers other surveying services such as boundary surveys, topographic surveys, and construction staking. Their comprehensive range of services makes them a one-stop solution for all surveying needs. Whether it is a small residential project or a large commercial development, SCON Design has the expertise to deliver accurate and reliable survey data. In conclusion, contour surveyors in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon play a vital role in land development and construction projects. Contour surveyors are essential in the fields of construction and land development. They are in charge of carrying out surveys to figure out the topography and elevation of a plot of land. Many contour surveyors are located in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, and they offer their knowledge to developers and architects in order to produce precise and thorough site designs. SCON Design is one such contour surveying-focused business in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. SCON Design is renowned for its skill in the region for offering precise and trustworthy contour surveys. They employ a group of seasoned surveyors who are skilled in working with the most recent surveying tools and software. They are able to create precise contour maps because to their in-depth knowledge and expertise, which are crucial for the efficient planning and implementation of building projects. The contour surveyors at SCON Design recognize how critical precise data is to their customers. To generate precise contour maps, they measure the land's slope and elevation with great care. These maps show the various topographies and aid in detecting any obstacles that can be a problem